What's up guys, Mike the Repair Guy here. Today we're going to teach you how to fix a washer that doesn't seem like it's washing very well. This is a Whirlpool washer. We're going to replace some agitator dog ears. Check it out. So what's up guys? Today this is a Whirlpool washer, and one of the symptoms that the person has is that it doesn't seem to wash very well. So if you notice, the agitator should be actually catching when it agitates, and this is actually free spinning. So that would be a good indication that the agitator dog ears are bad, and we need to go ahead and replace that. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. You just need a screwdriver and a couple other small tools. So the first thing we're going to want to do is remove the fabric softener cap, and this just pulls right out. And then you're going to see a dust cover inside here. I don't know if you can get a good look at that. So that's going to be the dust cover, and this just pulls right out. It's got two pieces, you can pull right out. And if you look down in there, you're going to see a bolt that connects the agitator to the tub. Alright, so once you have the dust cover out, then you just need a 7/16 socket. And you're going to go ahead and put it on the bolt for the agitator. And then sometimes you have to hold the agitator in order to break it loose. We got this one broken loose already, so we're just going to go ahead and take the bolt out. And then that's going to lift out the whole agitator here. Sometimes it'll come off in two pieces. If not, it'll come off as one. And then what you can do is you can put this on the ground if it's being a little stubborn. You can stand on it, and you can yank up on the agitator, and it'll separate into the two pieces. And then you can put the bottom piece back in here on the tub. So once you have the agitator out, you can go ahead and pull it out here. And then you're going to notice some broken pieces here. These are part of the agitator dogs, or what's left of them. So the agitator dogs actually go in right here, in these pieces, and you can see where they're all already broken off. So if we pull the rest of these out, sometimes they could be a little stubborn. You might have to get a screwdriver to get these plastic pieces out. Okay, so then once you have all the pieces out, then what we're going to do is replace it with our new agitator dog ears. So this is what they look like. That's why they call them dog ears, because they kind of resemble that. So you go ahead and put the pieces back in here. They do go a certain way. You can't put them the opposite way where they face out. They have a little groove here, and you want them to angle with the agitator lock here. So there should be 4 of them. Once you get all 4 in, you're going to go ahead and place the snap ring back on it. Okay, and then we can take our piece here and placing it back in the top part of the agitator. And if you can see those little grooves in there, that's what the agitator dogs catch on and what creates your agitation action. Now putting it back together can be a little tricky. All right, so a nice little trick that I like to do is to take the bolt out, put it in the socket upside down. Then you can take the agitator piece, put that in upside down, and then you're going to put that inside the agitator. Now there's 2 little pieces here on the back. These little grooves have to slide into these 2 little grooves there. So you're going to kind of want to try to line them up, and then as you push it down, you might have to rotate the agitator, the inside where the dog ears are, just a slight bit until it wiggles down right onto that piece. Sometimes they like to be a little stubborn going down on there. So then we're just going to start screwing the screw back in there, just putting it in the thread. Once we get it going, we can go ahead and tighten her down the rest of the way. And you just want it snug on here. You don't want to over tighten it, because then you end up breaking the agitator. You just want it snug. And you'll notice now, see how the agitator catches? So now when this washer goes into agitate, it's going to wash your clothes. Alright, so then you're going to go ahead and put the dust cover back in there. It just pops right down on, and then we'll put the fabric softener cap back on. Now this washer is ready to go. Let's see how it agitates. So that's how we fix a Whirlpool washer that doesn't want to agitate. So usually the common complaint will be, it doesn't seem like my washer's washing the clothes very well, or when I open the lid, the agitator doesn't seem to be pulling the clothes down. So like I said, you can give that a twist. It should lock when it comes back like that. That would, then you're getting agitation action. If it doesn't do that, then I would definitely pull the cover off and look and see if your agitator or dog ears need to be replaced, because more likely they do. So as always, man, don't forget to check us out on Facebook. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the videos. Give us a like. All the comments you can list down below. And thanks, guys. Have a good day.